Hey guys, welcome to KHALEELA'S TV. It's your girl KHALEELA. Today we are doing a quick meal prep. I meal prep at the beginning of the week. It helps me out to be more disciplined in my diet. Alright, so today we're going to be cooking some chicken with sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, and our veggies for this week is going to be kale and spinach. How I'm going to be preparing the chicken is I'm going to bake the chicken. My intentions were to just bake the chicken. However, I did have some leftover chicken, which I ended up throwing in the pot to stew. So if you're interested in looking at how I prepare this meal, then stick around for the video. The recipes for everything is also going to be in the description box as well. Now, for any of you who are interested in perhaps checking out other content that we have on the platform, you can check out workout videos. We have other meal prepping videos. We also have videos where we speak on mental health and our emotional well-being. We do speak about celebrities as well on the platform. We discuss their controversies and take away the lessons that we can from whatever it is that they're going to. So if that does sound like something that you'd be interested in, you can definitely check that out in the playlist on the channel. Nonetheless, I've cleaned the chicken, or I am cleaning the chicken. Now I'm going to be cutting up my onions, green peppers, and stuff like that to season my meat and place it in the oven. So this is the olive oil that I use to cook with this week. I normally use butter, but for whatever reason, I wanted to try to use something different. I think I'm just trying to be healthier, and I tried out the olive oil, but it is my suggestion to perhaps use butter. I actually did a comparison, and I find that the food tastes better and was better cooked with the butter. So that's just something that you can keep in mind. All right, so the chicken is in the oven baking. While that's baking, I'm cooking the stewed chicken portion. This is just me browning the sugar and throwing the leftover chicken in the pot for it to stew. All right, so I didn't record this, but the chicken next to the apples are the baked chicken that I removed from the oven. All right, so I'm about to make my mashed potatoes. I slowed it down just so that you guys can see how I make my mashed potatoes. Everything else I think was pretty self-explanatory from the video. Now, just to recap, the baked chicken, I ended up cooking that with some kale and sweet potatoes, and I placed that in half of the bowls. And the stewed chicken I ended up placing in the other half of the bowls. So now I am making the mashed potatoes to go with it all. All right.